A single 2-marker or even a single statement can decide whether you are in or out to attend the mains this year. And here we are solving the most potential questions for the coming prelims. So please don't miss this opportunity to clear the prelims this year. The question is, consider the following statements regarding the ordinance making powers of the president. Statement number 1, it is not a discretionary power. Statement number 2, he can withdraw an ordinance only on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Which of the statement is or are correct? So this is regarding the ordinance making power of president. See, ordinance is nothing but the law made by the president whenever the parliament is not in session. See, Article 123 says about the ordinance making power of the President of India. See, the President can promulgate an ordinance when a house is not in session or when the both of the house of the parliament is not in session. By means, see, we know that the law can be made only when the both the houses are in session. So, if at least one of the house is not in session, the President has the power to promulgate an ordinance under Article 123 of the Constitution. And please note that the ordinance has the validity of the law enacted by the parliament itself. And once the president enacted or promulgate an ordinance, the parliament has to pass the same within 6 weeks after the reassembly. See, whenever the house or both the house of the parliament are not in session, the president has the power to promulgate an ordinances under Article 123. Fine. And when the president promulgate an ordinances, the ordinance has to be passed by the parliament within 6 weeks after both the houses are in session. If within that 6 weeks time, if the parliament cannot pass that ordinances, the ordinance cease to operate. Or even before that 6 weeks time, if the parliament disapprove the ordinance, then also the ordinance cease to operate. And even before that period, the president itself has the power to withdraw the ordinances on the advice of Council of Ministers. See, please note that the ordinance making power is not a discretionary power. Discretionary in the sense, the president has the power to take decision of its own. See, in our parliamentary democracy, the president has to follow the advice of the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. That is, the President of India has to act on the advice of Council of Ministers headed by Prime Minister. There are some situations where the president can act of his own will. That power is called discretionary power. Fine. And this ordinance making power is not a discretionary power. Why? Because the president can promulgate an ordinances only on the advice of Council of Ministers headed by the PM. So, it is not a discretionary power. So, statement 1 is right. Fine. And moving on to second statement, he can withdraw an ordinances only on the advice of Council of Ministers. Exactly. Why? Because it is not a discretionary power. Fine. I repeat once again. When the ordinance is promulgated within 6 weeks after both the houses reassembled, it has to be passed by both the houses. Otherwise, that ordinance is to operate. Even before that 6 weeks time, the parliament disapproves it, then also it ceases to operate. And if the president withdraws the ordinances on the advice of Council of Ministers, then also that ceases to operate. And please note that ordinance making power is not a discretionary power, because the president has to promulgate an ordinances only on the aid and advice of Council of Ministers headed by the PM. And please note the number of the article, that is Article 103 says about the ordinance making power of the President of India. Fine. So since both the statements are correct here, our answer becomes option C, that is both 1 and 2. Thank you.